Hi everyone, it's your school dietitian, Haley Malnicki here. I'm switching it up today with something a little bit different. I'm going to be reading to you one of my favorite books, The Adventures of Lady Pancake and Sir French Toast, and their adventure through the refrigerator. It's one of my favorite books. I love reading it, and of course it's all about food, so it just makes it even better. So I hope that you will like following along with me. So I'm going to start off, and I'll show you the pictures on every page, of course. All right, so deep in the fridge and behind the green peas, way past the tofu and left of the cheese, up in the corner and back by the roast, sat Lady Pancake beside Sir French Toast. And there they are. The leftover friends were as close as could be until they heard news from their neighbors, Miss Brie. The syrup is almost completely all gone. A single drop's left, just a drop, she went on. The last drop is mine, Lady Pancake conversed, but French Toast replied, not if I get there first. Like that, he was off. The race had begun, with Pancake behind, breaking into a run. Through broccoli forest, past orange juice fountain, they climbed to the top of Potato Mash Mountain. Pushing and shoving, they fought for the lead, Toast behind Pancake, who rolled at high speed. And there you see there's the broccoli forest and the orange juice fountain, and there's the Potato Mash Mountain. She screeched to a stop at the edge of the shelf, clutching a grapevine to steady herself. Toast didn't notice and couldn't quite stop, plummeting down into jam with a plop. He scraped himself off and yelled, "You're a meanie," as Pancake rappelled down a rope of linguine. She bragged, "I'm the best of all breakfast food treats," then hurdled a lime and skipped over 2 beets. I am, thought Toast, but his chances looked bleak, so Toast took a shortcut down Sauerkraut Peak. Skiing past spinach and artichoke dip, Toast vaulted high in the air with a flip. Nearing the edge, he tried one final jump, but stumbled and fell way below with a thump. Pancake made use of her seafaring skills and sailed across oceans of soup, causing spills. But chilly lagoons slathered Pancake in muck, and then at the fork in the road, she got stuck. "Don't go that way," yelled a chickpea to warn her, but Pancake sped on and got trapped in a corner. Caught behind dressings, one Russian, one ranch, she squeezed out and started a bean avalanche. And there you can see all the little beans. Toast reemerged in the vegetable crisper, sneaking up swiftly, not making a whisper. Beans were now falling from such a great height, some kidney, some lima, some pinto, some white. Searching for safety from raining legumes, Toast turned to hide but was blasted by fumes of Brussels sprouts left from an old party platter. So quickly he climbed up a celery ladder, and there he is. Beside him, a lettuce leaf parachute landed. Pancake flipped out. "It is mine," she demanded. Battered and soggy, exhausted and crumbling, too tired to push, they were limping and stumbling. There stood the bottle of syrup at last. But wait, it was empty. They stood quite aghast. Licking his lips with a sneer that was awful, out of the shadows crept Baron von Waffle. There he is. "I got here first while you boasted and bickered. My, that syrup was delicious," he snickered. With one evil laugh, Waffle slipped out of sight. The syrup was gone, no more reason to fight. Trudging back home beneath layers of grime, Toast said, "Perhaps we should not fight next time." "Agreed," replied Pancake. "As friends we should share. Hey, look, we can split that butter right there." And there's the butter. And then this is the end, and we can see our full journey through the refrigerator. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to, you can leave some of your favorite fruits and vegetables that are in your refrigerator right now in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back later this week.